Are you ready for your rift tryout?
Yes.
Alright, grab a gun and
Take the
try
hunting
to
rifle.
Alright, try to snipe the moving target. Bad boy.
Because why not?
Alright, good job. He got it. He got it. He got it.
Then this is an editing course.
Alright. So this is now a build fight. So get a shotgun and an AR and an SMG.
Yeah.
That's all you need to do. Okay, you're gonna 1v1 me 3 times, me best out of 3, and then Grant best out of 3.
Build.
Whoops.
Alright, it's fine. You
Keep
can
going.
just keep building. You got it. It's fine if you lose.
It's a best out of 3, so it's fine. All you gotta do is beat us once. You don't even have to win the best out of 3. Good job.
I'm just gonna build around this.
Oh snap! You got me really low. Okay.
With advantage.
Oh, he got me. Crap.
Oh my gosh. I about fell in the
Okay.
rift.
Alright. Well, got a little bit of height for me. It's fine. You're at 5 because I hit you. I'll probably hit you for 200 anyway. Where are you? Come on, build up.
Part of Fortnite is building. We have to build to protect ourselves.
Oh my gosh, you hit like a truck. Bang!
Hi, Grant.
Alright. Hey!
Jackson. Grant, do you want to go into the next thing?
Chill. No, I want to 1v1 him one more time.
Wow,
Yeet.
toxic, man.
Hey, man.
Grant. Oh!
Get out of my
Alright.
game.
I'm
Let's go to the
back.
next thing. Okay,
Not
shoot
going
as
this
many
side.
as you can. Grant, you count them. 3, 2,
Oh
1,
wait,
go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6,
Gotta get 10. 7.
7,
8.
8,
2 more. 9.
9,
8, 7. 6.
10. That's
5,
10.
4.
Get 10.
3.
That's 11.
2. 1.
12.
That's it. Alright, so you see that there's a right one and a left one, okay? We would like you to go to the right one. This one, right
Go
here.
to
Right here.
the right one.
Read that.
Congratulations, you are now a part of the R7FT clan.
You're in our clan now.
Okay.
That's your reaction.